24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman publishers. As we know, there are 4 basic skills for learning any language. These are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. This informative video focuses on these skills so that children get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Listening and speaking activities. Say Assalamu alaikum and good morning to the children. Encourage them to greet you back. Discuss the role of mother and father with them, that is, mama cooks, cleans, shops, etc. Baba goes to work, how he helps at home, takes out on holidays, etc. Now, show the picture of grapes and ask the children if they know what it is. What is its color? Do they know its name? Some of the children may answer correctly. Encourage them. Then tell the whole class that it is the picture of a fruit. It is green and its name is grapes. Ask the children if they can tell about the taste of grapes. You may get mixed responses. Tell them that grapes are sweet and sour. Now, show to the class a picture of a glass and frame the questions like you have asked about the grapes. During this, if the children give you a wrong answer, just correct them and treat them kindly. Recognition of letter G and related vocabulary activity. Tell the children that today they will recognize the letter G. Learn its related vocabulary and trace the capital letter G with correct formation. Start the lesson by singing the following song with the children.
Red light, what do you say? I say stop, stop right away. Yellow light, what do you say? I say wait till the light turns green. Green light, what do you say? I say go, go right away.
Write letter G on the writing board. Tell the children that this is capital letter G and it says G. Say the sound of the letter G. Introduce the vocabulary with the help of the book. Show pictures and say words with their initial sound.
G, G, goat. G, G, goat. G, G, goat. G, goat.
Repeat at least 3 times. Ask the children to repeat after you. Involve the class in this process. Formation of the letter G activity. First of all, get attention of the children. Encourage them to sit up straight and not bend their backs. Draw 4 lines on the writing board. Write letter G on the first 3 lines and give instructions. Start from the red point. Draw a half circle. Then go up. And draw a short straight line in the middle. Ask them to open their textbook and trace the letter G with the help of dots and arrows. Encourage them to trace the letter G in the air or on their desks or on their hands with the help of index finger. Write some jumbled letters on the writing board and ask the children to recognize G. Reinforcement worksheet of the letter G can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.